In Vericut 9.4, all users benefit from enhancements that streamline optimization. Assuming cutters inserts are properly defined, with the correct number of teeth or inserts, type of cutter, cutter material, and edge type, optimizing is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose a stock material from Vericut's stock material catalog. Choosing a material from the catalog also provides access to Vericut's tool data. You'll hear more about that in a minute. If your tools were imported with vendor-supplied cutting data, such as from Coro Plus Tool Library, Machining Cloud, TDM, and other popular tooling sources, they may already have stock material records and be ready to optimize. But if not, Step 2. Choose the Provide Default Tool Data option. Vericut automatically provides cutting data for all cutters and insert tools known to be used in the current stock material. The cutting limit source indicates when default values are from Vericut's tool data. By default, Vericut tool data is provided for rough operation methods. Vericut tool data is also available for finish operation methods by adding a new stock material record, then modifying as desired. If Vericut tool data isn't available for a particular cutter stock material combination, then default values are provided and optimization is limited to reducing time for air cuts only. Colored icons that look like these let you know you are ready for Step 3, Optimize. In 3 easy steps, we just optimized a roughing NC program using conservative feeds and speeds and realized some great savings. Customizing stock material records is also easier, thanks to streamlined optimize options and optimization limits that can be used in any combination. For more information about optimizing in Vericut, see the Vericut help.